This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Debra Degelormo. Nice second floor 1-bedroom unit with a serene view of the water. Spacious living room, dining room and den area, lots of storage, kitchen will have new range and dishwasher installed. Quiet community near the villages. The complete outside of the buildings have been redone along with insulated windows throughout.HOA includes water, sewer, cable, pool, common area and pool maintenance. No age restrictions. The special assessment for outside improvements will be paid by the seller at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Debra Degelormo at 386-479-6407.